Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. I just received a package from PCGS for a number of coins I sent a couple of months ago. Let's see the results together. So first of all, you receive a package from either DHL or FedEx. Make sure the package is well sealed and no any sign of package being open and so on. If you discover any issue, please contact PCGS directly. So when you open the package, you will get this packing slip, and this is basically the amount of coins you sent, and also the grading results. So this is the first thing. Then you will receive this PCGS holder for 1 ounce coin or half ounce. Anything below 1 ounce you will get in this holder. For coins that is more than 1 ounce, like the 2 ounce, they put it into this kind of carton board nest because it's more than 1 ounce. From 2 ounce, they put it in this bigger holder. And they nicely return to me the slabs, the plastic holders, and you can see this is labels I created to add them. And by the way, if you are interested on how to grade your coins step by step, please refer to the playlist. You will find how to do this step by step, how to put your coins in the system, and how to do the payment, and how to do the shipping, how to do the labeling, etc. So it's very nice from them to return this back. You also get here as well for this 2 ounces package. Yes. Then let's then go to check the coins. Let's start with just 3 big coins. These are Libertads. Libertads 2 ounces. Antique finish. 2018, and they graded PSP 70, which is very, very nice. And one unique thing about this coin, this is, although it's 2 ounce, but it has this antique finish. You can see the surface of the coin has this unique antique finish. Very nice. I managed to get SP70 for the 3 of them, which is something really, really nice. This is the first 3 coins. Let's then open the 1 ounce. Let's start from here. First one is MS64, 1982, 1 ounce. The coin looks really, really, really beautiful, but because of this not damage, but this stuffing, deep stuffing it took MS64. We have here MS66, 1 MS66, which is very nice. And then we have MS65. Yeah, this is one thing I don't like about coin grading. See this coin, the difference between this coin and that coin. You can see this coin is a little bit tilted to the left. It's still MS67, but some people really don't like that. You can see that the coin is a little bit shifted or drafted, and sometimes this impacts the price. So I hope that they can improve this kind of things. Then I sent a bunch of Egyptian coins, the Pharaoh Treasures. This is, and I will be making separate videos for them to explain the details, but these are really nice coins, proof. Egypt minted these coins between 1994 and I think 1993, around that years. and we have a lot of shapes. This is a sphinx and pyramid, one of the popular one. So this is good. Proof 69 decam. By the way, although all of these coins are proof, but really very difficult to get in proof 70. Anyway, so sphinx and pyramids, I think I did well for proof 69 decam. The second one as well, wow, this is very nice. So this is also the pyramids, one of the most famous shapes. This also I did well, proof 69. So this is good. Ramses II, this is unfortunately proof 67. But still, it's a nice coin. Sinisert, King Sinisert, is also proof 68. Ramses II in Royal Chariot. This is a very nice design and popular design. Unfortunately, I was hoping it can pass 69, but yeah, I didn't have much hope for this coin. So this came as expected, 68. We have here Cleopatra. This is also a very popular one. Unfortunately, I was hoping I can get 69. Not sure why they give it 68. But this is the point about grading. Grading is always subjective, and sometimes things come unexpected. It's still a nice coin. I will do well, I think, in this coin, 68. This is the same coin, but this is proof 62, which is nice, as expected. This is proof 67, yeah, expected as well. You can see this line. It's not the best, so proof 67, I think it's okay. Then you have as well circuit, the goodness circuit, and this is see as well, it's a little bit shifted to the left. You have here King Honso, proof 67. This very famous Falcon Horus, proof 68. Isis, proof 68. Symbol of unification of North and South Egypt, proof 69. That's what's straight. And then we have here the peace treaty, £1 1980, President Al-Sadat, MS67. I was hoping I can get MS68 and becomes a high straight, but unfortunately MS67, which is okay, Then this is here, proof 68 decam. I was hoping I can get 69 as well for this, but yeah, this coin is made from aluminum, and this coin is very unique because this is for Ajman 1970, which was Emara of the current United Arab Emirates. So this coin was made before the establishment of United Arab Emirates country, and this to commemorate the death of President Gamal Abdel Nasser, and the currency denomination is 5 Rial. Now we know that the currency of United Arab Emirates is dirham, not rial. So it's a very interesting coin. It's not that old coin, but it has a lot of history before the establishment of UAE, and also a different currency, and also the face of a very important president, public figure, in not only in Egypt but also in the Middle East. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I wish you a very good day.